the Komei Icon Trowel, formerly known as the 381 IN Trowel. This is my favorite Komei trowel at the moment, and just in general it's a really good trowel, and I use this all the time, mainly because of the blade. It's a beautiful blade and it has fully broken in edges. As you can see there, you can see how much they're broken in. In fact, if you had this trowel without broken in edges and used it for a year, that's probably where it is when you get it out of the box. So it's fully broken in, fully ready to go, and it's a beautiful trowel. Now I've just got a couple of butt joins here. I'm going to just walk you through how it goes. So this is the bigger Icon trowel. This is the 14-inch or 360mm by 100mm, so it's not as wide as the other trowels, and 0.6mm the blade thickness. And it's mainly the broken in edges that are what do it for me. You know, that it just puts that compound on absolutely beautifully. You can see the shine, just how smooth it is and how beautiful it flattens off everything. It's a 0.6mm blade, which is perfect for a flat trowel, just for flattening things off. You know, it doesn't have much flex in it, so it'll flatten off things that need to be flattened off, and especially these big butt joints here. So it does have a smaller version that is the 11-inch, the 280mm by 120mm, so it's a bit wider, the smaller one. And again, it's the same thickness, 0.6mm. So, but it just glides beautifully. It's IN or inox stainless steel, which means it's rustless, doesn't rust. So it's gonna last forever. And of course, it's got the rubber grip, rubber handle, and just feels good in the hand. So we'll just do this second butt joint here. Just, you know, I can go down half the wall in one go, putting the plaster on or the compound on. But what it is taking that compound off on the edges, feathering it in. So I don't use my knives as much to clean off my edges. I like to use my trowel, and that's where this trowel excels. Just feathering in those edges. I don't need to get out my 6-inch knife to clean off those edges. Those are done with the trowel. You can just see it, how beautiful it is, how flat. And I think that's where this blade excels over the Smooth Master blade. So for me, that's the difference. It's the blade. And having those square edges as well helps to, for me anyway, it helps to feather the edges. If you clean off your edges or feather your edges with your 6-inch knife, say, then, you know, by all means the Smooth Master will be for you. But that's how I do my butt joins. That's how I use my trowel. Try to use my trowel to clean and feather the edges as much as I can. But I've had this trowel now for probably 6 months, and yeah, out of all the Komei trowels, it's my favorite. But just to give you an idea, or just to show you what I mean by you can use it straight out of the box, this video here, you might notice it from one of my videos a while ago. This is the first time using the Icon trowel straight out of the box. You can tell because it looks brand new. Still got the writing on the handle, but just look at how that compound is going on. These are some ceiling butt joints here I did a video on about 6 months ago. It's just putting that plaster on absolutely beautifully, straight out of the box. Here I'm just wiping those edges where I've started, really. But this is first time using out of the box, and that's how good those broken in edges are. So that's the Komei Icon trowel, the 14-inch, my favorite trowel out of all the Komei Trowels. Just does a beautiful job. Yeah, that's my pick. We're all different, I guess. But if you're looking to start off with a co-made trowel, I recommend this one. If you want to check out the Smooth Master trowel, check out the video here, and I'll talk about that with you as well if you're interested in that one. Another great trowel by Co-made. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you on the next one.